Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show you how to manually update your AppImage files. Doing this manually gives you full control over your version history, allowing you to keep both old and new versions on your disk. To do this, we will use an official tool called AppImage Update. First, head over to the GitHub repository linked in the description below. Navigate to the releases page and download the latest version of AppImage Update-x86_64. Click to confirm the download and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your file manager. Right-click on it and select Properties. Switch to the Permissions tab. Check the box that says Allow this file to run as a program and close the window. Now, double-click the tool to launch it. A window will pop up asking you to select the AppImage you want to update. For this example, I will select an older version of Krita and click Open. The tool will now check for updates. Keep in mind, this process safely preserves your old file as a backup and creates a brand new file for the update. This ensures you never lose access to a working version if the new update has bugs. When the update finishes, you will see a new AppImage file in your folder. Double-click it to launch the application. To verify everything worked, let's check the About section. As you can see, we are now successfully running the latest version. Finally, remember to update any existing desktop launchers or shortcuts to point to your new file path. If you don't know how to create desktop shortcuts for AppImages yet, click the video linked in the top corner of the screen right now to learn how. You are all set. If you found this guide helpful, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing for more Linux tips. See you in the next video.